Hello everyone. Today we are discussing the concept computer languages. The computer language is defined as code or syntax which is used to write programs or any specific applications. The computer language is used to communicate with computers. Broadly, the language can be classified into three categories: mission language, assembly language, high-level languages. Mission language is considered as an oldest computer language. In this case, the input is directly given to the computer system as binary format. That means in the form of zeros and ones. The other languages, assembly language and high-level language, needs compiler because it's written in highly formatted language, so it should be converted into mission understandable form, so it needs compilers. First, we are discussing mission languages. Mission language is sometimes referred to as a mission code or an object code. It is in the format zeros and ones. It's in the binary digit format. It's readable only by the computer or it's understandable by computers. It's not human readable format. It's considered as a native language and it can be directly understood by CPUs. The mission language is not easy to understand by human being because it is in the format of ones and zeros. The only language which understood by computer is mission language. The operating system of computer system is used to identify exact mission languages. So if we write programs in any other language like C, C++, Java, such languages, we have to convert it into mission format. That purpose we need compilers and interpreters. Here I am showing an example for mission language. My text is hello world, so it's written in the combination of zeros and ones. It's shown in the slide. Hope you understand. Next we are discussing assembly languages. We considered assembly language is a low-level language. It's for microprocessors. The assembly language is considered as second generation language. So the first generation language is mission language. Assembly language is mostly famous for writing operating systems. The operating system carried out by programmers using assembly languages or memory management. The main drawback of assembly language is the code cannot be reused. That means we cannot use the code again and again. Assembly language is considered as group of other languages. It's used to implement by symbolic representations. The other name of assembly language is simply assembly code. The language has certain drawback as it does not contain any variables or functions in the programs, and also the program is not portable on different processors. That means in assembly languages we didn't use variables and functions, and it's not portable. That means if we write program for one mission, it can be used by that mission only. The assembly language uses the same structure and command which mission languages does, but it uses name in place of numbers. That means in assembly language is somewhat similar to mission language, but the major difference is in the case of mission language we use zeros and ones, but in the case of assembly languages we can use names. The third one is high level language. We consider as a third generation language. The development of high-level language was done when the programmer faces the issue in writing programs as the oldest languages. The main problems are its uses in the symbolic formats, and it's not more accurate, more adaptable with the human beings. So it generates the high-level languages. It's considered as a third generation language. It's more understandable by human being. It can easily written and it's user friendly. The other advantage of high-level languages are code is independent of computer system. The main drawback of assembly language is it's not portable. But in the case of high-level languages, it's portable. That means if we write a program for one system, it can be used for other systems also. The high-level language use the concept of abstractions. And it's also focused on programming language rather than focus on computer hardware components. The development of high-level language is done for a programmer to write a human-readable program that can be easily understood by any user. This is the main advantage. If you write a program in high-level language, it can be easily understandable by programmers. The syntax used in this programming style is easily understood by human being compared with low-level languages and machine languages. If we write a code in high-level languages, it doesn't understood by the computer. So we need compilers and interpreters for converting into machine understandable format. So we use compiler to convert the high-level program into machine understandable format, and using interpreter we are executing the high-level programs. These are some high-level languages. C++, C, Java, etc. are some high-level languages. These are some of the reference. You can go through this. Then you get more data from this concept, computer languages. Thank you, everyone.